Your mattress is the one thing you spend a third of your life on, yet most of us put more thought into choosing a phone than a bed. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best mattresses of 2026, reviewed and compared for comfort, durability, and value. Whether you want the plushest luxury feel, the coolest night's sleep, or the best budget-friendly option, this list has you covered. And stick around until the end, because I've got a few bonus picks you won't want to miss. At number 7. DreamCloud Premier Hybrid, best hybrid under $1,500. The DreamCloud Premier Hybrid delivers that luxury hotel bed feel at a mid-range price. It has great edge support, deep cushioning, and a lifetime warranty. Honestly, if you want plush comfort without paying over $2,000, this is a safe bet. It has a plush yet supportive hybrid design, though on the downside, it has slight motion transfer compared to all foam. At number 6. Purple Restore Premier, best for pressure relief. Purple's unique GelFlex grid isn't just a gimmick. It really does adapt instantly to your body while keeping airflow high. The Restore Premier version combines it with coils for added bounce and support. It's especially great for people with back pain who still want a softer feel. It has adaptive comfort grid, and you'll sleep cool naturally. Its downside is that its feel isn't for everyone. At number 5, Avocado Green, best organic mattress. For eco-conscious buyers, the Avocado Green is the gold standard. Made with certified organic latex, wool, and cotton, it's free of polyurethane foams and toxic chemicals. It's on the firmer side, so it works well for back and stomach sleepers, and it's incredibly durable. It's made of 100% organic materials with a long lifespan, 10+ years, though not ideal for those wanting deep plushness. At number 4, Helix Midnight Luxe, best for side sleepers. If you're a side sleeper, the Helix Midnight Luxe is a dream. The zoned lumbar support keeps your hips aligned, while the plush top layers cushion shoulders to avoid pressure buildup, and the quilted pillow top makes it feel like you're melting into bed, but without losing support. Comes with zone support for spinal alignment with plush yet supportive feel, but it takes a week to fully break in. Number 3. Nectar Premier Copper, best value memory foam. For under $1,500, the Nectar Premier Copper packs serious comfort. The copper-infused cover wicks away heat, and the multiple memory foam layers give that deep, slow sink feel without trapping you in one position. Plus, Nectar offers a full-year trial. Yes, you can literally sleep on it for 365 nights and return it if it's not right. It has affordable luxury feel, comes with 365-night trial, and has excellent motion isolation, though some reviewers complain that it's too soft for some stomach sleepers. At number 2, Tempur-Pedic Tempur-Breeze, best for hot sleepers. If you sleep hot, the Tempur-Breeze is in a league of its own. Tempur-Pedic's phase change cooling material actually adapts to your body temperature, keeping you cooler for up to 8 hours. It's not just marketing. Lab tests confirm the drop in surface temperature. Plus, that signature Tempur foam molds to your shape for incredible pressure relief. With industry-leading cooling tech and outstanding pressure relief, the Tempur-Pedic Tempur-Breeze is an ideal mattress, but on the downside, it's heavy and hard to move. At number 1, Saatva Classic, best overall luxury. Topping the list is the Saatva Classic, a hybrid innerspring mattress that feels like sleeping in a high-end hotel suite. It comes in 3 firmness levels, but the luxury firm hits the sweet spot for most people. What sets it apart? The dual coil system. One layer for support, another for contouring, plus a Euro pillow top that cradles you without sagging. Saatva also offers free white glove delivery and old mattress removal, which is rare in this industry. It comes with hotel-quality plushness, custom firmness options, and free in-home setup, though pricier than some options. At the end of the day, the best mattress for you is the one that matches your sleeping style, body needs, and budget. Remember, you spend 1/3 of your life here. Make it count. Links to all the mattresses I mentioned are in the description below, with my exclusive discounts where available. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next one.